Young inventor tinkers with gears and springs in her workshop. She hears strange noises from the whispering woods, drawing her curiosity. Elara bravely enters the woods, her mechanical bird companion guiding the way. She finds ancient ruins covered in glowing runes, hinting at an old mystery. Suddenly, a boy named Finn appears, startled but curious about her inventions. They realize they both heard the whispers and seek the source of the mystery. Elara's inventiveness and Finn's knowledge of the woods help them find clues. They discover an ancient glowing crystal that is the source of the whispers. The crystal pulses with ancient stories shared between their new friendship. They leave the woods, no longer alone, ready for more adventures together.